What is up, everybody? CRZ Blackjack here, and today we're going to be doing a FIFA 17 pack opening video. As you can see now, the team of the week 20 has been released. I'm recording. I am. And the only real players good here are Chiellini and Robin. Kovacic doesn't look too bad. Mario doesn't look too bad either. Schneider and Gomez. Okay. And there was also FA Cup Man of the Matches. That Schweinsteiger. As me as a United fan, that Schweinsteiger looks amazing. What the one to watch is, which would be the transfers and AFCON team of the tournament. Alright, let's open the double chance team of the year packs, 150k. Ericsson. Okay, next pack. Who's this? Oh, transferred Pius. He might go for something. Last one. Pius. Oh, big player. Oh, Ramos. Good pack. Next one. Oh, that's a big player for an inform. 88 Keane. Holy lord. Alright. That was a good pack. It's 2 good packs in a row. Big player. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, got Suarez. Oh my god. And transferred Zaza. He transferred. Yeah, because I think Zaza played for... What? No, I think not Zaza. One more second. Yes! 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 Team of the tournament. No, it's a man of match. I just said orange character. No, yeah. That's Shaqiri. Back. I got a lollipop. Bushwick. In Bolo. Not bad. I might do some SBCs as well on it. That was a big fair check. Not bad. Not bad at all. Come on. Lacazette. That isn't like the most OP card ever. Like the Lacazette oh my god, 90 is the informed Thiago Silva. Alexis Sanchez. Okay, no, that's just a bad. Oh, that's right. She went quiet there for a while, I don't know why. Pedro, no, not Pedro. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Why did I say Pedro? Infant Victor Moses and Marine. Infant. Okay. Ivanovic. Ray. When I get a team of the year, I'm gonna put, guys, it takes a couple of minutes for the picture to load up, or a couple of seconds, so I put it right down like real quick, like, go and look at team of the year now. Like, watch, as it comes up, it takes a minute for the face and things to come up, but Boating and Ribery. So if I ever get a team of the year like that, I'm going to put my phone down so you guys will know before I do. Hold my recording. Okay. Did I transfer Jackson? I think it is. Or if I get a legend or a team of the year, then I'll do it. Alright, okay, he transferred Boyan. Nice. That's a good pack. Oh, that fair was miniature. I'm spending 150k on these shitheads. And watch this. Pick Fanny. I suppose that's not too bad. Oh, it was Okaka who was the striker for Watford, not Zaza. So a legend, team of the year, or a big player in forums, and I'm gonna put my phone down. Courtois, not bad. Oh, and Ericsson. god. Oh crap. Oh my god. I got Ronaldo. I shot Ronaldo. Holy shit. Oh my god. What? Ronaldo. Are you serious? Oh god. I'm gonna find it like for the reaction. I don't know what I'm doing. I've got no one in this backup. The best player I think was Boateng. Oh no, let's hear Ronaldo. Big player, Sergio Ramos. Not bad, not bad. But the bad thing is with this game, let's say I got 2 Ronaldos, I can only sell one of them. I'm better off showing my good players now in case I pack them again. I'm going to sell some of my players. I think I actually have Team of United. Yeah, Ramos and Iniesta and Pique. Actually, I'm going to sell them, because then if I get them, they sell for a couple of million extra. Ronaldo's going for 1.3 mil. I packed him and he's the first time I ever packed him. So that's why I'm calling on him, and I got nice Lewandowski and it's nice Lewandowski. I'm not getting rid of that. If I can get rid of the United friend. So I'm gonna call on to De Gea. I don't want De Bruyne. That's one of why I'm holding on to the legends because all the Netherlands legends I'm holding on to because I have a Netherlands legend team, full legend, well not full legend but all team thing legends will go in. So huge flair. Yes. I didn't see because I put my phone down. 91 Lewandowski. That's not bad. Holy shit. Jim Rodriguez. Not bad. Oh, that's a bad pack. Mertesacker. If it was Mustafi, it wouldn't be too bad. Team here. I don't know who it is. My other clothes. Oh my god. What is that pack? Team Neuer, Fabregas, and 2 bombs. Team Neuer. Team of the year. Neuer. Are you serious? Oh my god. Fuck me, I got Team of the year, but I want Team of the year attacker. Neuer, I can't go wrong with that. Lead player again. Luis Suarez. Hey, 610. Not bad at all. Pack up, it has been very bad so far. The only real people I've technically got were Suarez, Ronaldo, and Team of United. I don't know why I said only, that's amazing. That was a huge flare for a normal person. Holy fuck, 2 more clubs in the pack. What the hell? Oh, transfer DLFA as well. Holy shit. Buffon and David Silva. Holy crap. Team of the attack, team of the attack, team of the attack. Team of the attack, team of the attacker, team of the attacker. It's an attacker, the right team of the year. Transfer Ivanovic. He transferred it. Why didn't that create? Here at until now. No way. 92 Nair. Holy shit. He is going for that much, but it's too good to have him. For a walkout, which would be Busquets. And they wonder if you have walkout, people actually walk, you know. But you can tell if they're walkouts or not because you get someone like this and it's not a walkout when you're fucking doing. But I know most of the walkouts on FIFA. Check is a walkout. Busquets is a walkout. Matuidi is a walkout, but he's going for a decent amount. Morata, you fucking serious? Okay, calling it right now. Team with your Ronaldo. I nearly said Neymar. Fine. Normal Bale. Team with your Modric. Oh my god. Yes, another team with you. It's not an attacker though. I'm working my up. All I need now is a backs and an attacker. And I've got one from every position because I've got one from goalie. All I need is one from defenders. I got one attacker and I've got not one attacker. I got one midfielder and I need one attacker. Walkout James Rodriguez, not bad. Verratti, are you serious? Fernando Torres is what? Oh, Berahino. That made up the pack. This next pack is going to sum up all the players that I've got. So, walkers. In a row. Gabbiadini. That's definitely how you pronounce his name. Inform secrets and I don't know why I thought it was Firmino for a second. Griezmann, yes! Oh, and Bencheke. Ooh, nice one. Off work. Kirk and Pam, the pushing, the back, and everyone. Open for fuck's sake. Oh, time. What? The fuck? It's 2 packs. I didn't. What are Chiellini? Chiellini and Barzagli. I'm caught now. I want to see that badge. Di Maria. Oh, that was messy. You just couldn't give me one alerts. It just had to be Joe Hart. Right, I'm going to open a 1 million coin pack for Champions Reward pack. Oh my god. Are you fucking serious? What the shit is this? Open another one and see what I get. No one, I guess. Oh my god. No one. No way. What the fuck? Look at the first 4. No, just get code in and go in and not in. Oh my god. Alright, last pack. of a million coins, and then I'm going to open 150k back and I'm gone. Alright, 150k back, and that's going to be the end of the video. Holy shit. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button down below and subscribe. Peace.